we got a good one too. Yes. Okay, perseverance is paying off. See that smallmouth just fighting this guy. We got him. Come here, big fella. That's a nice one too. That is a nice fish. Hey, welcome back. Well, today we're on the mighty Gasconade and we're going to be trying out something new just to start off with. This is a mini buzz by Dynamic. It's got a little buzz bait. Let me get this out and give you a closer look at this thing. All right, so this is a 3/16 size. It is a single hook. That's pretty cool. What I am going to be throwing it on today is my BFS setup. This is a Cast King Zephyr Ultralight. All right. First off, we got to see how this thing casts. What kind of distance we're going to get out of it. Okay, not too shabby. This is kind of a topwater buzz bait. So we got out here kind of early just to give it a shot. That looks good rolling through the water. I don't feel like we're gonna have too big of a problem getting bit. Yes, 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 yes. All right, we got our first one on the little buzz bait. Wouldn't you know it? These guys are like some of the prettiest fish that we have here in Missouri. Oh, and away it goes. But man, those things are fun to catch. This little buzz bait has gotten hit like 1,000 times before something actually committed to it. And I haven't seen really anything breaking the surface too much. So I don't think the topwater bite is on hard. Yeah, okay, there's number two. Number two. Dude, yeah, catching panfish on top water is awesome. Look at that guy. He's beautiful. Single hook, so it's pretty easy to get him off. All right, guys, as much fun as topwater fishing is, we were only really getting a whole bunch of strikes when we were either reeling slow or this thing was going subsurface. So we're gonna tie on the secret weapon, the rocket shad. Let's take a Hail Mary out here real far. Sometimes you get some fish in a current, just like that are bigger. If we can keep him on the line. All right. And we got a largemouth. I'm surprised they're catching as many largemouth here lately as I have been, because they've been mostly smallies in here for like years. Wonder what that's telling me. Any ideas, guys? Why more largemouth lately? Oh well, let's let him go. Oh, and the way he goes. That's actually not a bad little creek fish. Well, we caught one out there. Can we do it again? Get the old Hail Mary. Yes. All right, we got some action. Looks like it's a greenie. Oh, the gar came up and swiped at it. We caught a greenie. It's no surprise. The green sunfish love this rocket shad. He's got some colors on him, don't he? All right, let's let him go. See you later, buddy. Yeah, that's unfortunate. I had a gar come up, see what all the commotion was about. There's something about that slow reel today, especially. Sometimes they like it fast, sometimes they like it slow. I like to stand and just pick apart some of these creeks, little bitty areas that I think fish might be hiding at. And give it a couple casts, because sometimes they don't bite on the first one. Sometimes it takes a couple. Yes, 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 yes. All right, come on through here. What do we got? Got a fighting little devil, whatever it is. Yes. Say what you want. These things are gorgeous and they're fun to catch. All right, I think we figured out what's all living here. See you later, buddy. Let's move on to the next little hole and see what we come up with. Look at this water. This looks good. Good for something. Ooh, got hit right away. That's always a good sign. There's fish in here, and there we are. It's a green sunfish. Sometimes spinnerbaits are like some of my go-tos when I'm just kind of walking around. If I've never been to a place and I'm struggling to catch fish, it's either going to be a little spinnerbait or rebel craw or the arky craw. It doesn't matter, one of those. Because they're just a good all around, everything hits them. You kind of judge if there's fish in there, what kind of fish. Then you kind of go from there. Those are good all around baits for catching largemouth, smallmouth, it doesn't matter. They'll crush it if they're in here. Speak of the devil. Oh, that was a little smallie that popped off. Hope you guys seen that. A big Hail Mary cast over there. Oh, goodness. Yes. Right, as soon as it hit the water. It's swimming to me, too. Man, that is a hard thing to beat. Catching these little fish, wade in the creeks. It's one of like my oldest forms of fishing because I used to do this all the time as a kid. But look how gorgeous coloring that guy is. Yeah, well, let's get him off and let him go. Oh, in case anybody's wondering, these guys are really good eating. But let's let him go. Okay, let's catch one more before we call it a day. Next to them weeds, and we got one. What do we got? Man, this, yes, a gorgeous little greenie. All of his spawning colors out. Guys, this has been a blast. Thanks for coming along with me. Get out there and have a good time in the creek. Catch yourself a bunch of these little fish. Have a ball. Till next time, guys, let's keep it cheap. Away he goes.